Hello everybody, Tevertuloa, Canal Valene, Empurrou sua meia, Mutarakastan Kyotesi. I think I did it right, I don't know. Hello everybody, my name is Saint. In this video, I'm going to react to the new song from UMK called Puppy by One Morning Left. So, let's go! Don't forget to like this video, comment what you think below and subscribe my channel. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Okay. It's a rock pop song! Yeah! Woo! It's rock time! Woo! Woo! Yeah! What do you wanna eat? What do you wanna do? The lyrics is so... Stop it. The beat is really good. Woo! Da, da, da. Okay. Okay. Bum 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 pop it. Woo! Okay. It's time to say what I'm thinking right now. First of all, the music is so unique, funny, different. It's like a rock and pop metal, maybe electronic. I can imagine the stage really gorgeous, different, and it would fit well. It would fit well on stage. So it will be amazing. Nice job, guys. It's not my favorite song because I don't like this type of music, but it's not a bad song. Good luck for you guys. My favorite is Nightmares or Nelly. I don't know how to say the name of this song in English. I, I don't know. So good luck. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I'm so happy to see you there and see you in the next video. Kitos! Bye bye!